Return back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know you're perfect.
I really hope this is plugged in, because I will be so pissed off if it's not. Anyways, hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with CheetahBeauty Hair. They sent me over this wig and I did bleach the knots on this wig. I plucked it because it did not come pre-plucked, so I ended up plucking it. I bleached the knots and then I kind of washed it with some purple shampoo, so it's a little bit more toned. It was more bright when I got it, cooler towards the ends. I just did some small curls and then I brushed it out. So today you guys are going to see how I install the wig and brush it out and everything like that. If you've been looking for a ombre wig, I will leave all the information down below so you guys can check them out and see if it's your vibe. And yeah, let's get right into this video. I will have all the specs to this wig down below. I believe it was like a loose wave or like a wave texture, because when I washed it the wave dropped. And I also wanted to show you guys what came in their packaging. These tags that were on the wig, but I took it off because I had to wash the wig and bleach it and everything.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you know what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
I go where I want.
need some me time.
Hope you know what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom cause I New York the shelf. Now my bitches did the Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Guess I go where I want.
get some me time.
Hope you know what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast and you do what you want.
In the meantime,
Guess I'm doing what I want.
get some me time.
You know what you want.
In the meantime,
Guess I'm doing what I want.
get some me time.
You know what you want.
Maybe I love myself, I don't know. Leave me here out myself. See me in the mirror, I got myself. Don't need myself up my wealth.
Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you say. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. Everybody's like, he's no item. Please don't like him. He don't wife him. He one item. I never listen, no. I should've figured though. All the shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.
Baby, can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy or broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause I think, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up, yeah. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me?
And then later makes me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear to change, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long say, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there.
turned out. This is how it's looking. This is how my edges are looking. Super, super pretty and soft. I love it looking natural and soft. So if this video helps you with your edges or just like in general, or if you just enjoyed seeing me like curling the wig and stuff, make sure you leave me a comment down below. Don't forget to like this video. I will leave CheetahBeauty, all their links in my description box.
I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better if I give all my love, then nothing's gonna tear us apart.
Okay guys, I have 8 minutes remaining on my camera, so I just wanted to show you guys how the hair looks naturally. Like, this is it after it's been washed and everything. So I just did my moisture routine so I can show you guys, and this is how it looks. The curls are pretty loose, especially towards the ends, but like just in general, so it's giving me like a loose curl. I will have the right name for the curl down below. So yeah, this is how it looks. So you literally could straighten it and give it curls, but once you wet it, this is the natural look of it. It's not even like 100% dried yet, so I don't want to make it frizzy, but